Naghanap ka ba ng property na malapit sa Manila? One bus ride lang going to PITX. Very accessible dahil along main road lang ito ng Tansa, Cavite. 5 to 8 minutes drive nga lang ito going to SM Tansa, Robinson Gentry, Vista Mall Tansa, Central Business District sa General Trias at marami pang iba. Kaya naman kung interested ka, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pepito, your home search band. Meron tayong gated and secured community, may malalaki tayong road, kaya naman presko at maliwalas. At meron tayong complete amenities. Kaya ng clubhouse with pool, basketball court, parks and playground. And dito guys, lahat ng units natin dito ay with carport at balcony. For inner unit, meron tayong minimum lot size na 52 square meters at floor area naman na 60.40 square meters. Total improved area is 90 square meters. Total of 3 bedrooms at 2 toilet and bath ang meron tayo dito sa Newville Townhomes. At pwede pa to sa Pag-ibig, bank at in-house financing. Livable na to upon turnover dahil meron na tong electricity and water. Kaya naman gamit at ikaw na lang ang kulang. No spot down payment din tayo dito at payable ito ng 24 months. Kaya naman kung pasok sa preference mo ang ating Newville Townhomes, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!